do we make your work relationship meaningful? As a leader, not just a professional, while tying it up to the upcoming year, 2025. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It's Marisol here, your go-to for real talk about leadership, life, and faith. Today's question is one I think we all need going into 2025. How do we make our work relationship meaningful, not just professional? Let's be honest, we're heading into a year where things are moving faster, technology is doing more, and just getting the job done feels like the new norm. But here's the truth. You and I, as leaders, have the power to change that. We're not robots, and neither are the people that we work with. You see, I've been in HR for over 30 years. I've seen it all. Sometimes leaders think that being professional means keeping people at arm's length. Maybe they don't want to get too close. Maybe they think personal conversations aren't appropriate. But here's the catch. When relationships are just transitional, do your job, get paid, move on. People don't grow. People don't stay engaged. And honestly, neither do we as leaders. I'll tell you about something that happened to me years ago when I inherited two employees who were underperforming. They were frustrated. It was a mess. My first instinct as an HR leader could have been, play it by the book. You're not performing? Here's a warning. But I stopped. I decided to make it personal. Not surpassing boundaries, but having just an honest conversation. I sat each one down separately and said, look, I believe you're capable of better. Let's work together to get there. What happened next wasn't overnight. It took patience, trust, and a little transparency, but both employees turned it around. And one later told me, you're the first leader who didn't just see my mistakes, you saw me. And that moment stuck with me. That's what meaningful leadership does. It doesn't blur lines, it builds trust. So how can we do this for 2025? Here are 3 simple ways to turn your work relationship from professional to meaningful. First one, listen like you mean it. When someone talks to you, multitask. Give them your full attention. Put the phone down. Sometimes the best thing you can say is, I hear you. Secondly, be clear and kind. Setting expectations doesn't mean you can't show you care. You can say, I want to help you succeed while still holding the person accountable. Share a little of you. Being a leader doesn't mean being a stranger. Mention your challenges, your faith, or what keeps you grounded. Trust me, it's easier for people to respect you when they can relate to you. These small shifts can change a workplace culture in a huge way. As we step into 2025, let's remember this. People are going to forget projects you assign, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. So let's choose to lead in a way that honors people, builds trust, and makes work relationships matter. Because meaningful leadership is professional. If this speaks to you, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on leadership, HR, and staying true to your values. Let me know in the comments below, how are you planning to make your work relationship more meaningful in 2025? I'll see you next time. Let's lead together. Be blessed.